Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will teach you how you can develop an Android application in Android Studio in a very simple way. So what kind of application we are going to develop? So first of all I will show you the demo of this application. Let's see here. This is the dollar to INR converter application. If we type 2 here and click on button, this will change into INR and the value. And if you want to convert one, so $1 is equal to 74.16 INR. I will teach you everything and what you need to know to complete this Android application. So you must watch this video from start to end. So and I will also change this button text into convert. So let Android Studio, create new project. I told you in my last video how you can install Android Studio into your Windows PC. So check out this video before watching this Android Studio tutorial. Select empty activity, next application name dollar to INR converter. Now package name, choose what you like to choose, but choose the way com dot example dot application name. If you don't have any package name, the location you can choose from here. Language, use Java, and minimum SDK required for application to run. Finish the application. Now the application is running. It will take time to complete the process. Now it completed. Let's see activity main, and here you can see the text view. Hello world, click on hello world. You can see the this text is constrained from all side, so we don't need bottom side constraint. This is like a spring. The every side spring give you give the text in center, take the text into center. If the bottom side spring go out, click on text and cancel this spring that we call constraint, delete this constraint. Now you can see the if you don't have any constraint, the value goes back to top. So let's give it a margin here, 32, and let's see color, how you can change the color. Click on the text and attribute here, click text, TEXT. Now you can change everything here about text. So let's change this to INR in capital. Let's see INR converter. Enter is most important. Let's see another text size, that's 36 XP. Enter. Then color, we need blackish color. Okay, now INR converter. Let's see background and cancel this one. So now we need to change the background. So click on this constraint layout, or here constraint layout, and click on this search, then search background. You see here background, click on this one, choose the background of your liking. This looks better. Let's cancel. I think you need to give it a capital is look better, capital look better. Converter, and then enter. We need one more text. No, we need edit text, that we need to type our value. Let's see, click on this text, plain text, drag this out here. Like I told you in my we need to constrain this one also, because if we don't constrain the layout here or text view, the this value will be come out here on top of left and overlap each other. So constraint is most important. You should constrain your text view, and we need gap here, so give it a click here, and top margin, that would be 32, and enter is most important. Give it id, name, on name, click on name and id, edit, edit text, and then enter, one more enter. Now the text has been here. Let's click on text. We don't need text here, then cancel. Let's look for hint. Search here hint, spelling hint. Yeah, you can see hint here. We need to give it a hint like dollar. We need to type dollar, right? Then one more thing we need, there is button. Where is the button? Yeah, this is button. Drag this to here, and also constraint this one as well. Constraint here, constraint here, constraint here, and margin is also important. So cancel this one, click on button, margin 32, enter. We need one more that we can show our converted value. Take your text view here, constraint this also, click here, constraint, top margin here 32. Now we need to change its size, text view into 0, INR 0, 0. Okay, let's give it a size. First we also need to give it id. Let's see, id, it is INR in small, enter, enter. Search, click on search, text. Now it will show up here. What we need here, we need to give the size 36. Let's see about color. What kind of color? White color is also looks good. So white color. You can change this button background also. Let's see what kind of, we have given id to this edit text id. Cancel this one. Let's see id, edit text, and this everything is work out here. Let's go to main activity, main. Let's see, we need to click on this button and search attribute here, OnClick. So if we click on this button icon, so what will trigger? So OnClick, we can write here button, click, and enter. Once you enter here, it's showing error. Why? Because we did not create this method yet. So copy this method, Ctrl+C, then go to main activity and create this method like public void and method, then brackets, in brackets view and v, give it a space and curly bracket and enter. So first we need to get this edit text, give it a variable name, edit text is equal to find view by id. So it will find the id of this from activity main, r dot id dot, what was our edit text name, edit text, this was our id, semicolon. Let's get our text view is equal to find view by id. So where is our id, r dot id dot what we given INR. We have given INR as a ID to the text view. Then lastly semicolon is most important. Now we need to get the value. So what kind of value? First we need to get the value as a string. So string given in small, given value is equal to, so edit text dot get text and then semicolon. So it's showing error. Why it's showing? Because we need to show on this code that is this is a string value. So in the end dot to string. So now this code is in string that it will show. Let's go to another. So we need to get this value as an integer. So let's convert this given value into integer, double value. So double given value in double, let's write d only. So is equal to, so we need to convert this given value into given value d, that is in double value. So how we create? We need to parse this string value into double value. So d double dot parse into double and type here given value and then semicolon. Now the value of the given value will be converted into double value. So let's see, let's create one more double is equal to INR value. We need to convert the dollar value into INR value. So what is INR value in small is equal to given value, given given value, that is given value d, because it converted into double value, into, so how much is $1 of 1 INR? That is 74.16. You can search on Chrome or any browser. So how much is $1 into INR? That is 74.16 INR. Once we have given value 1, if we type a value 1 on given value, then it will convert it into double, that is 1 value. Then we type here into 764, 1 into 764, that is 174.16 INR. If it is 2, then it will convert into 2 INR, $2 into INR. So let's see how we show this. Let's see text value dot set text on double quotation right here INR, and then space like this, then addition button, then right here INR value. You can see this is the code for our application. So I will explain one more time. We need to get first we need to get the value from activity main. How we get it? By ID, by using ID, r.id.textView. This code is to get ID from, or to get the value from activity main, or give the value to activity main. So then we get the value from text, edit text, that is given value, and then we convert into double, and the double value will be converted into INR value, and then this value will be showed here. So let's open our AVD, that is emulator. Now, this is the demo application. Now our application will launch here after completing this one. Let's see, $1, click on button, 74, $2, So I told you I will change this button. So let's click activity main button, cancel this one, then text, change this button into convert, then enter. Now it converted. Let's see one more time. It will work here. Let's see 5 convert. It's too big. Let's see 52. It's working fine because we have used double value, that's why it's showing in dot. If you use the integer value, so it will not show in dot value. If you like this video, please do subscribe the channel so you may watch my next video. So in my next video I will teach you how you can develop an Android application, and also I will teach you how you can integrate and add to this application and publish on Play Store, so you may earn from this application and how you can earn. So be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel so you get to watch my next video. So thank you for watching this video. That's all.